Hey kids, so today we are going to work with adding with regrouping. So you might want to go ahead and grab your notebook, especially if this is something that you don't quite have down yet and you need to practice the steps. If this is something that you already know, you can just go ahead, grab a whiteboard and work through the problems as I work through them, just to make sure that you are on track. So regrouping with addition. When you are learning how to add and subtract, up until you get to about 4th grade, you are learning how to pull apart numbers and work different strategies and think about numbers and all the different ways that you can think about them. Once you hit 4th grade and our numbers get really, really large, we go from working with the hundreds to working all the way into the millions. So using those strategies that you were using in the past may not be as effective as if you are using the standard algorithm or traditional regrouping. So let's go ahead and do some practice. So our first problem, we are going to do 755 plus 237. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to look at that ones place. So if you think 7 times 5, that is going to be 12. So I have 12. This is going to give me 12 ones. So I'm going to put my 2 ones, because if you think about the number 12, okay, you have 2 ones and you have 1 10. Correct? So this 1, this 10, I'm going to put with its other 10s. So I'm going to move it to the house it belongs in. So now I'm going to look at how many 10s I have. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, plus that one is 9. And I didn't have to regroup anything because I didn't have more than 9 10s. And then I'm just going to add up my hundreds. That's 7, 8, 900. Okay, super simple. All right, now let's do one where we may have to regroup more than once. Okay, so let's go ahead and do, let's go a little higher. Okay, let's go 2,487. And we're going to add, let's go 954. Okay, so now we're going to have to regroup multiple times. So if you do 7 plus 4, that's going to give you 11. So remember, 11, it's going to give you 1 10, and it's going to give you 1 1. So I'm going to put my 1 here, and I'm going to put my 10 up at the top, above the 10s place. Okay, so then I have 8 plus 5, that's 13, plus 1 more is 14. So that is actually 14 10s. So really, 14 10s is 140, right? Well, I don't have any more, oh, you can't see. You can't see what I'm doing. There you go. Now you can see. So 14 10s is really 140. Well, we don't have any ones. We have 4 10s. And then we have 100. I'm just going to abbreviate that. So I have 100. So my 4 10s is going to stay in my 10s column. And my 100 is going to go above my hundreds. Okay, now I have 14. So, that's funny, I did 14 again. So 14, but it's 14 hundreds. So that looks like this. So I don't have any ones, I don't have any 10s, but I have 4 hundreds, and I have 1,000, right? So this 400s is going to stay in the hundreds place, and that 1 is going to move to the thousands. So now I have 2 and 1, that is 3,000. Okay, and that is how you do traditional regrouping with addition. Okay, so in the next video, we will start talking about subtraction, which I know is everybody's favorite. All right, we'll see you in the next video.